Hey guys, welcome back again in today's amazing and beautiful video, guys. I am here to talk about something very interesting that I know that you will like. All I want you to do is to relax, watch this video to the end. Do not move away. Because if you move away or you leave it without watching every part of this video, you might miss something, and I don't want you to miss something, kings, because I know that today's video is going to help a lot of people, okay, especially when it comes to what knacking and penetration. We're going to be talking about how you can penetrate like a pro. This is a very interesting topic. How you can penetrate like a pro. Most men out there don't penetrate like a pro. They don't penetrate like professional. That's what I mean by pro. You don't penetrate, you just penetrate like a normal penetration. No. If you want to penetrate like a pro and you want to really make her to enjoy this penetration better, you want to make her to see you like a pro. This is what you need to start doing as a man. You want to penetrate like a pro. First of all, during the first penetration, stop going direct. Stop doing that your method of, the moment you get aroused, the moment you feel like knocking, you just grab and then you penetrate one. No. You don't do that. Gentleman penetration starts like this. The moment you are about to knock and you are ready, she is ready. This is what is expected of you to do. Now, begin to talk. By this time, you are not yourself. Like, everywhere is clean. You have opened everywhere. She has opened everywhere. Now, she will be expecting you to go direct. No, don't go direct. First of all, start talking. Start gisting. Now, I mean, the gist that you should be gisting is gist related to what you're about to do. Do you understand? Now, use your hand to begin to touch her hair, her eyes. Maintain eye contact while you are doing this. Now, also make use of your hand in the right places. When your joystick is very strong and she expected you to put, do not put it immediately. Of course, that is the first thing that almost all the men do. The moment you are ready, she's ready, all you want to do is to go direct immediately, to just put. You don't put like that. You have to penetrate like a professional. Then what makes you a professional is by this thing I just described right now, by talking about, the topic of what you guys are about to do, talking, looking into her eyeball, touching her hand, telling her how beautiful, looking into her eyeball, touching her head, admire her at that moment while your joystick is still very strong. Now, when you want to penetrate, now that is the time that I want every man to listen. When you want to penetrate, now hold your joystick. Do not allow your joystick to go before your hand. No, hold your joystick properly. And first of all, now start penetrating gently by using the cap of your joystick, the head of your joystick. Yes, I want to use the word head. Use the head of your joystick. You understand? Now, first of all, use the head of your joystick to surround or to round her honey pots. Do you understand? Now, when you are penetrating, first of all, increase the weight in your backside, and then use your hand to hold your joystick cap, and then slowly move front, like move inside a little bit, then bring it out again. Do you understand? Now, the second one, you should penetrate slowly. Very slow. You penetrate slowly until you get to that edge first. All right. Now, you will find that when you are doing this, you will see her shouting, screaming, calling you different type of name. Don't bother. Don't mind her. She is not the one controlling herself at that moment. Okay. Now, slowly go direct to the spot, to the point that she needed it. Now, bring it out again, and then enter the third one. The third one now, when you enter inside the third one, when you have entered in the third entry, now begin to knock in a gentle way. Begin to knock gentle and steady. That is how to penetrate like a pro. That is for missionary. Now, if you want to go through the bag, which is called dage, do you understand? Use the same method. Use the same method. This time around, remember, you are not looking at her direct eye contact to eye contact. Now she's facing the wall and you are. Do you understand? Now you can also use the word. You can use your word and also the tone of your voice while you are doing this. Now get hold of your joystick. When you get hold of your joystick, now use it to locate the main spot of the honeypot, the mouth, the tiny pieces of the honeypot that looks like an earring. Do you understand? That is where you should concentrate. So when you touch that place with the head of your joystick, now bring it back again and then penetrate through the corner. Penetrate through the corner if you are going through the back side. You understand? Penetrate through the corner at the back and then slowly, gently move your joystick direct to the middle and then go straight. I know some of you now will be saying, oh, this woman, you experienced. My dear, I am not experienced. Where I am getting my information, like I keep on saying, is I do street interview. So I got all of this information on the street. Do you understand? Yes. So that is how it is. So these are the two things that will make you to penetrate like a pro. There is no woman that you give this to penetration that will not see you as a professional and that will not come back again for second time. Like I keep on saying this, you can only do this when you have a stronger joystick, when you have a good erection, when you know that within yourself you can last longer, because there is no woman that you will give this that will allow you to get up, that will allow you to get up in just 5 minutes or 10 minutes. No, you have to finish what you have started. That is why I keep on telling you guys, if you know that we are entering December period where some of you will have to come back to meet your fiancé, your wife, your girlfriend, whoever that you are dating. That is time for you to work on your joystick. If your joystick is not joining, you are not having it stronger or it is not bigger, maybe caused by health challenge, I have something that will help you to fix it. But first of all, before you fix it, first of all, identify the cause of that problem. Check the cause of that. Check what led to that. Okay, no man is born through that way. God did not create any man for you to have weak erection. No, something led to that, and you must identify it. Some of you, your own is being caused by post-stress. Some of you, your own is being caused by diabetes. Some of you, your own is being caused by high BP, some of you will even have infection, but you will not know. Before you keep on blaming vendors that, oh, this product is not working for you, have you treated infection? Have you treated diabetes? Have you checked yourself? Have you stopped the habit of eating sugar things? As a man, you don't need a sugar thing. Sugar destroy your what? Your erection. I'll keep on saying it here. Sugar destroy your erection totally, whether you like it or not. I will have to say the truth here. So before you start blaming your vendor, oh, you buy this, it don't work. What do you do to yourself? Have you stopped taking sugary things? Have you stopped, or have you checked yourself from infection if you have it? Enough. I have said enough already. So it's left for you to identify the cause of your problem and then tackle it from the roots. So whether you are watching me from anywhere, you want to get this product being delivered, I have the one that will cure your diabetes. You heard me. I have the one that will cure your diabetes. Let me repeat it again. I have the one that will cure high BP. These are natural products, and there is no chemical in it. I do process it. I process all my products in a tea form, whereby It can even last up to 3 years without anything happening to it. Yes, it can, because they are all in powdered form, well dehydrated and well blended. You now take it as a tea. Okay, you don't have to fear there's no side effect in my product, because I don't mix herbal. I don't mix herbal products to chemical. I don't mix herbal to English and then repackage it and then begin to sell it at. No, I consider your health. If you're buying anything from me, just consider that yes, what you're buying is original, and what you're buying is something that will not give you any health challenge, because I don't compromise my product and I don't miss. I process it the way God created it. I bring it from the bush, process it, dry, process, and then, do all of those things in order to keep it intact and the nutrient intact. Okay? So that is how it is. So for herbal lovers, for people that love treatment with herbal, this product is for you. Okay, so guys, that is just the end of this video for the day. Whether you're watching me from US, from Canada, and you want to, from UK, you want to get all of this product being delivered at your doorstep within 2 to 5 working days, all you have to do is to send me a WhatsApp message on +234 9059825779. Guys, most of you that will be chatting me or will chat me on my DM will go as far as asking me, oh, what do you do? Oh, then I believe that before you have, contacted me or even get my number stored on your phone, you must have an idea what you want to get. You must have gotten an idea what you're about. You don't just come and begin to ask me, what do I sell? No. Before you copy my number and start chatting me up, you must have an idea of what you are about to buy. It annoys me most of the time when I see some men coming to my DM asking me, what do I sell? Even after explaining myself and also dropping my number and also telling you the reason why I dropped my number, some of you will still come to my DM. I face a lot of things on my DM. Some will even come to my DM and begin to tell me, oh, can you send me pictures here? Can you send me video here? If you're doing that, I will have no option than to block you immediately. I read the message. I block you immediately, because you have no right to come to my DM to ask me such question. Whatever thing you feel that you want to learn, I teach it here. And it's handy. If you want to ask your question, drop it at the comment section. The DM, my number that I drop is for business. It's for those who want to treat themselves from the ED, and it's also those who want to help themselves, help their joysticks to get better. Okay? It's not for, I did not drop my number for you to pick it and begin to call me and ask me how am I, or you want to know me. Don't know me. You don't need to know me. I'm a married woman with 3 beautiful children. So you don't need to know me. I am here to teach you what you need to learn, what you have to learn, and also to deliver my service to those who needed it mostly. Okay? So guys, that's just the end of this video. Please, after watching this video, like this video for me, share, and also leave your comment under the comment section. Ask your question under the comment section. I'll be there to reply all your messages, all your questions. Okay? See you on my next video. Do have a wonderful and lovely day. I love you all. Remain blessed. Bye.